Soleil, which is a Fijian song of farewell. And I can't really say that I did a great deal because much of the phrasing in the song is similar to the phrasing in the English translation of the original song, but we've just personalised it a little bit. And so Jake and Tia and Atu, we just love to sing this to you guys.
And we brought in a band direct from Fiji. So they're just out the back and we're going to get them to start now.
And you'll even hear the water on the seashore, as long as Dave tunes it up enough. Here we go.
That was a whole lot easier to sing than practice.